Om Namaste. Welcome to our English channel Veda Sudha Shravanti. Exclusively deals with Veda Vangmay. I will present before you some of important Veda mantras from Chaturvedas. Please watch this video till the end to know beautiful meaning of Veda mantras. Title of the mantra: Glorification, the auspicious Creator. ॐ त्वं सोमासि सत्यतिस्त्वं राजोत वृत्रः त्वं भद्रो असि क्रतुः. ऋग्वेद 1:6-19:5. Invocation. O God, divine and gentle ruler, Lord of all, you are Soma, the author of all products of nature, the extractor of the essence of all grass matter. In your creative processes, your gentle nature, O Lord, is accessible to the righteous, whose protector you yourself are. Not only this, you are, my Lord, the Raja, the ruler, the embellisher of all living beings, and also Vritraha, the framer, propeller, and splitter of clouds into watery showers. Your divine nature, O God, is auspicious. You are the maker of felicity, and you alone are the creator of the whole universe. Being a dedicated disciple of Nigamanidam Veda Gurukulam, I tried my best to present the true meaning of mantras explored by Maharshi Dayananda Saraswati. If you like this video, please share and subscribe for the sake of Sanatana Dharma. Om Swastihi.